Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. So yeah, the hair's getting long, so is the beard. Yeah, I gotta do something about that pretty soon. So the fan's in the window, so I must be painting. So what am I working on today? There you go. So right now I got 2 coats of black on there. I'm just waiting for it to dry, get all those shiny spots to cure up, and then hit it again. Now this has got a coat of sanding sealer, a coat of primer, and black over the whole thing. So instead of like killing myself trying to strip this thing, I forgot I had lacquer thinner here. So instead of sanding and busting my ass, it's pretty hot. It's about 84 degrees right now outside, so it's pretty warm in the garage. I got to get an AC unit for this place. Lacquer thinner just melts it away and strips it all the way down pretty much to bare wood. It even took off some of the sanding sealer that was on there before. So I ended up sanding it after the lacquer thinner because that does raise the grain, even though it dries really, really fast when it's wet. Lacquer thinner evaporates really quickly. It still raised the grain, and so I end up sanding it down before putting all the coats of primer and shit on there. So right now I'm waiting for it to dry, and then I'll hit it again with some more black, and after that it's going to end up getting a seal coat over the black of clear, and there's a reason for this. Now when I do the seal coating for clear, that protects the paint that or finish whatever is on there. So when I do the next coats of paint, I'll end up sanding the clear down, of course, so the next coats of paints will have something to stick to, and then it makes it easier for me to do the bursting and everything that I need to do for this guitar in order for it to look right the way that the customer wants it. But the thing about it is with the clear coat on there, if I have to sand off or get that burst a certain way and use sandpaper to do it, I'm not sanding through the black to get the achievement that I'm looking for. So this works out pretty damn good. So right now I'm going to let this thing dry, go sit down, maybe have a cigarette, watch a little TV, and then I'm going to hit it again. Don't you love it when things go the way they're supposed to go? All right, so the SG has had a couple of days to dry. It's looking really good. And now I want to seal this black with some clear. Yes, there's no clear on it. Look at it. So what I want to do is do a little bit of wet sanding on here, just to give something for the clear to stick to. Hit it with the clear. Let that dry and start with the silver. So the first coat of clear always looks a little shitty because you're doing a light mist coat on here. You're not doing a heavy coat or trying to spray this to get a nice gloss finish on the first try. You don't want that. You want to give this something a little bit to stick to for the next coat. So right now, you'll let that flash off a little bit, and then I'll hit it with the next coat. And after that, one more coat. And this will be ready to dry, seal this black in, and it'll look 100% better than what it does now. Alright, so the last coat of clear is on here. Got a decent gloss finish. A little bit of build up around the openings, but other than that, looking pretty nice. So now I just let this dry for a few days, wet sand it, start the silver on it, and get this thing done.